One more time. Brand new flooring. We're not finished yet. Shoe mold still goes down. Complete entire house. Touched well. All walls, ceilings, trim, painted, flooring, sanded, stained. New poly. New kitchen, tile, backsplash. New cabinetry. Cabinetry is painted. New cabinetry deterioration taken care of. Everything's been touched well in here. New den, brand new flooring, beautiful. All sheetrock repairs. Skylight is great, outstanding, excellent. This door hasn't worked in years. It works now. Beautiful. All the entire house completely touched and restored, except for the two baths. We gotta work on those. Right there.